Shagnostic thought. I was thinking, here's a way to put yourself into a Shagnostic state of mind. Nature. That's right. Simply take a look at a beautiful natural scene. You may be in nature, or you may have a picture or painting, or maybe simply a memory that you can recall of a beautiful natural place. Nature comes in many sizes, some very small and some infinitely large. What about nature that brings you to a Shagnostic state may be completely different than someone else, and that's perfectly fine. It is the Shagnostic state that matters. Maybe it's a forest scene, like the one behind me, or a thunderstorm off in the distance, the expanse of the universe, or the cute face of a kitty cat. Whatever it is that works for you, by choosing what it is about nature that puts you into a Shagnostic state, helps you even more because it comes from you. Take some time, however much you have, and be in that place. Feel the love grow in your heart. Yeah, baby, that's it. Come back again for another quick Shagnostic thought. Remember, it's about the love, baby.